yeah. Let's go. Welcome everyone. Let me start the music. There we go. Yeah. How y'all doing today? Let me quickly open the terminal here. Yep, still got a link. Right now I don't need that open. But wait. Ah shit. Reload. I made an error. But hi Geometry. Nice to see you. Why did I close the terminal? Stupid. Main by. Paste the link, then it opens the WebDriver. Yes, do not interact with the WebDriver. Nice, this crashes, and there we go. Let's put it up here. Let's put it. Yeah, currently this is a little too big. Don't sing don't stars and do this and you're doing it right. That's what I see in the sun. Okay. So, let's get through the to-do list. Figure out how to deal with deleted messages. I did that, I think. Yesterday I worked on it quite a bit, and what I did was basically like this whole new UI that you have like this thing and this thing now. It is not reliant on Pygame actually anymore. I can show this, yeah. It's now reliant on Tkinter, which is much better for just doing UIs, and Pygame is too much on top of it. So that should help quite a bit, yeah. If you look in the main, it also looks quite different now. So I have those ones here, the run, stop, reload, shit like that. Yeah, make it a bit wider. Yeah, here's like all the buttons. And yeah. I also have now like button textures actually. As you like saw here, though I need to work on them. Doesn't look good. What I wanna do is take a look at these, and like these buttons look so much better. Like either you have like a huge like block, like here general configuration, that block, and then large buttons and then kind of small text, or if there's like long text on it, it doesn't go over the whole length of the button, and it does also not consume a lot of vertical space on the button itself. Also here, for example, stuff like that. Like these buttons look so good. It's kind of what I'm aiming for. Though at the moment I need to go further to the to-do list. I also have things that I did not write down on the to-do list. Yeah, one of those things like this one. What happens to deleted messages if messages get deleted? Like get deleted out of the WebDriver. Sometimes they get deleted quickly and it cannot read them anymore. Because if it's like a super quick chat, I actually tried it yesterday with like Tova Summer's chat. There, like 70k people were watching, and the chat was just like going crazy fast, and that was actually a really good like chat to try and stress test it in. And it does have a little bit of delay, which I don't like. Well, I think it's because the program kind of starts also a bit late, so I maybe need to try and start it more quickly, the program. So I need to optimize that. I have to see how to do that. But yeah, like it can handle really quick chats now. Speaking for the game loop, yeah, that is. It's not no Pygame anymore. Make your eye for the chat server option. That is currently in progress. It's basically this one here. Well, what I want to do with it is to have this like on top of your screen. I can't just have a white background. What I am gonna do, I am gonna make it in like, I'm gonna enable like custom backgrounds, or what I'm also gonna enable is something called Spout. Spout is, for example, what I'm using right now with the VTube Studio model. It's like in VTube Studio, like inside of it. If we look, was it here? Yeah, here. Spout is on. Because of that, I like you see, I don't have like a green screen or something. Usually you would have to like chroma key out the background and stuff. But because I'm using Spout 2, it sends the image already transparent to like VTube Studio, so that it is transparent in like VTube Studio. Like here, yeah, here, Spout sender. It looks kind of weird here, but yeah. Yeah, this is what I'm using for that. It works pretty well. So I want to try and implement that for that too, because I know Spout already works with like OBS. So I'm also gonna put it into my thing here. I have installed Spout, I just need to figure out how to use it. Yes, make clicking on things work, that's like, I have that. Upsala. Check if you can. That is not necessary anymore. Actually, what happens if I... because currently it still writes yeah, it still writes messages to the thing. I have to see. I'm gonna handle that in the future. Yeah, nothing changed here in the URL. In chat, yeah. This window is basically what you see here. And I have a certain number of rows where chat messages can appear. That's done with this number. I'm going to make like a settings file on shit. Well, I will have to figure out how to do that. Yeah, then in chat nothing much changed. I just did another try and then I accept here for like there's several like try, accept, blah blah blah, because sometimes it doesn't get like the it doesn't get the timestamp or the username if it's like a really fast chat. Usually this won't like trigger anything, but yeah, just sometimes it doesn't work. Besides that, nothing changed in here. Wait, am I using chat UI here? Ah yes, right. After like it assembles like the full message, then I display the full message. And how I do that in So it's this method, and then it gets displayed on this one here. Okay, so so this Selenium and this Tkinter window run on the same thread, which isn't ideal. I could, but how? Okay, what I could do, okay, let me open, find, how can I have Python Selenium script that gets data, gets messages from a YouTube live chat and displays them inside a Tkinter window. How can I have the Tkinter window running on a separate thread? No. There. To have a define a function that creates an Tkinter window. Create a new thread and start with the function as the target using example. In the Selenium code there is a line of code where it runs a method from the Tkinter class. How can I just run it like usual and it will run on a separate thread? Let's see. Yeah, because that's why I also think like when before this window opens, like this window here is always like it like crashes. It's after I put like a Selenium on a different thread, so that one also uses a different thread that didn't happen anymore. But when I introduced the second window, it started happening again. Thinker method. Based on provided information, it's difficult to run the running code from the main thread to not run on a separate thread and running the main thread could potentially cause blocking issues. If you want to ensure the method runs on a separate thread, you can modify the code to explicitly create a new thread and run within that thread. Here's an example. The secret method try the allowing you to run the code. However, keep in mind that you may need to modify your code to properly handle concurrency and avoid any race conditions in the race. I'm calling that method for every message. Right now, need to call want that just run the method once. Let's see. Now creating a thread and running a method on it will not just run the method once. Once the thread is started, the method will run continuously until either the thread is stopped or the method will reference. And this line is good. You can modify code to create a new thread for each message and run it again. I'm having on the. That seems not like the best idea. It doesn't seem like the best idea. Let's try it. Import threading. It's files. So from there we go. No. T equal threading dot thread with target being self dot full message. And args being self dot chatui dot display message, and this one is self dot full message. Then take that out and t dot start. This seems like not a good idea. Okay, let's do that. Let me. Let's just keep it like this. It's one of these. Okay, so for that I will need faster chat. Let me, yeah. Oh, I will need like a fast chat to try it. Let me see. How's Ludwig's chat right now? Let me just try it. Reload. Yep, it's this one. Huh, it's empty. So something about reload doesn't work. Okay, reload doesn't... Okay, to-do list. Reload doesn't refresh the chat UI to Kinter window. Okay, but are you already about it? What? Hi, JC. Okay, let me just quit this. That's interesting. Run it again. Start it. Let's do this. Let's. Why is it not working now? That is so weird. Huh? Why does it not work now? What the fuck? Hmm? Yeah, no, this window isn't reloaded, so I will have to do that. It is not responding right now. It should start responding in a moment. There we go. Okay, it just opens a new window. Interesting. Yeah. Okay, something isn't working. Okay, what is not working? No, I don't just which one is it? The isn't this just no C server? The YouTube API is total bullshit. I can tell you that much. Fuck the YouTube API. The YouTube API allows you 10,000 requests, but somehow when I was like running a script, let me see. Here, alt scripts. Yeah. Okay. So this one was running on the YouTube API. Like that shit here. This one, it got messages every second, every 1 second. It like got a new message, checked, okay, was that message already like done before? I filled up the 10k limit somehow in an hour and a half. Because apparently for every second, so 3,600, then like another half an hour, like nearly 5,000, but it seems like for every second I did 2 API requests, which shouldn't have been the case. Or maybe it was the case because I asked for message text and author name. I'm unsure. It just didn't like work like fully. So then I just went over to like, yeah, fuck it. I'm gonna use Selenium to just scrape it from the YouTube website. So gonna try and like optimize like the emote text so that emotes actually work inside of this. But yeah. For some reason something isn't going as it's supposed to go right now. Is that... Oh right, is it because it might be it. Wait a moment. Okay, I need to get word wrap also enabled on this. Because damn, That's hard to know how they do requests because we don't really know what the API and the server side is doing with requests. There is a list where it shows, okay, this takes this many like if you do a request like this, it takes this many tokens. If you do a request like that, it takes that many tokens. Or like was tokens, and you have like 10k tokens. And like getting a message only is 1 token. That is publicly available information that YouTube or Google would both show. Yeah, I need to get word wrap enabled on this. Right. There. Okay. So that method doesn't work. But why? Wait. Did I might have gotten it just wrong. Right, because okay, let me see. Listen, the function is part of a class, so we'll do it there. Let's see. Because otherwise, okay. So target get attribute, target get attribute. Where did I put the self there? My instance, so self dot chat UI, and then let's go display message. Display message, and then still with arguments. Okay. End of statement expected. Unexpected arguments. So self.chat UI is the instance of the class. Yes. That's correct. Or does it need a comma behind it? Yeah, now having a comma behind it is... Still end of statement expected? Wait. target is get attribute. Oh wait. Target get at. Ah. It was just a parentheses too much. Right. Okay. Run it again. Start. Okay. Why does the second Kinder window always like open at the? It's like the last fucking window. Okay, it still doesn't work. Remove redundant parentheses. Sure. Good. Once more. Yeah, let me just get louder X. Wait, clicking Alt left clicking on the YouTube tab. Okay, I did not know that. Link address. This is just gonna give me like more things to do. Right. Find a new function that calls the class method and pass the function as the target for the Fridays next time. Isn't it just redundant? Isn't this really redundant? this is gonna define a new method called method function. And calls my method on the instance. We then create a thread for each message and method. Call class. Oh wait, this point is for this here and doesn't belong to this up here. What the fuck? Okay, the formatting is a little bit off. To call the my method custom function is the target for the thread. We create a new thread for each position on the lambda function on a thread which goes to my method function. Let's just an argument. Keep in mind that you may need to modify your code to properly handle concurrency and avoid any race conditions as my race. Okay. A few reasons. Probably doing this on it's not thread safe, so if you're trying to update your iPhone separate thread, you need thread safe way to communicate with the main thread. One is use a queue to pass message between the threads. Use an example. Yes. That's a thread yes. I'm gonna try message diffuse. Wait. Wait, what? When do you use my instance? Oh, because this is just, oh, that is so confusing when it just uses the same word sometimes. Like here it uses like start for starting a thread, but here it uses start to call the method to define as start. Like, this is so confusing. What? So. Where does it process the queue? Continuously background to check the message. After move the root window. Oh, here. Fuck, let's try it. What can go wrong? Nothing, to be honest. Shut your eyes. So. Do is self dot q equal q dot q self dot root dot after 100 self dot process q not there. Def process queue right. So it's like this. Self queue get 0. So instead of display mess. Don't tell me it was this. Don't tell me that was it. Well. Something's going wrong. Or is it just because of... It seems like something when you don't have vsync enabled, but instead of like horizontal split, it's a vertical split. So h-sync, but that doesn't make much sense. Like sometimes it looks like it. Like did the right suddenly... Can I get a quicker chat is the question. Like Ludwig's chat is probably like the most active right now. Okay. Just let me see. Muna's chat is... I just need a quick YouTube chat. But surprisingly, about the same speed. Noel? Or maybe Subaru? No, also say. Yeah, that one might be. This might be a quick chat. I just gotta close the right one. Yeah, that one's a quick chat. Okay, gotta make it so that if I press enter, it starts a chat. So let me see. No, it just has like some kind of... It looks like a wave. Like going from bottom to top. Bottom to top. It's just of the way it updates, I think. So instead I would, instead of doing it like this, I would want moving labels. So after that I would want moving labels. Let's see. I'm just also gonna keep it running like in the background. Just like make sure maybe something that breaks. Okay, now 9. This one is... Oh, great. Some of my threads are like fucked again. Can delete this one. Yeah, this one is fucked and yeah. They really ought to fix that. Let's see here. Right, let's get rid of this. Let's get rid of this. The queue is irrelevant now. I just had a fuck up. Let's make the text just bigger. This, okay. Have this code, but instead of moving the messages down, I want to move the labels themselves so that new labels always get created and labels that are out of bounds get deleted. Is that possible? Let's see. What? To move the labels themselves instead of moving the messages down, you can use the place method to set the position of the labels. You can also delete labels that are out of bounds. Here, steps can follow. Add label for message. Create function to add a new label to the top of the list. This function should also least label. If the list is full, you can use the place method to set the position of the label. Here's an update. The place method sets the position of the label relative to its parent widget. In this case, we set parent widget UI instance. Okay. I don't know why is it called git ignore? Why is the project called git ignore? Over here. Label text. Text? Where does it get text? Oh yeah, from that other one. So... Hey! This and not just... this, yes. Wait, so I could just do... this is also redundant again. Fucking hell, why does it always want to give me like redundant shit? So I could just do add label instead of that other one. Chat, add label. Oh, that self labels is okay. Is right. Is right. It's this one here. The list. Last label. Okay. Let's see. It's actually still running. Oh, damn. So it does not like... it doesn't like some Japanese characters for some reason. But why? Like, this is more non-messages than I've seen in a while. It's so weird. Quit. Okay. What the fuck? Nearly an hour. Yeah. The first hour is always so quick to just go. Okay, why is it... so it's this one. Oh no! What the fuck? That uses so much RAM as all of my opera in this right now, and it's 47 of those. Holy shit. Wait, is that because of like the... Let me see. Is it because of the message volume? Or because of what is it? Oh, maybe because... Could also be because of like super chat stuff and other things. I don't know. That okay, that's just one message at a time. This just shows one message at a time. It doesn't move the messages downwards. Okay, let's see. Also, multiple labels in this pack. Modify the init method to create multiple labels. Let's try this part. Modify the add label method. That new label list and set its text as an example. Okay, let's just copy this. Okay. So let's see. And it started up much quicker now too, I think. I think I have a problem. Yeah, it looks like a problem to me. But hey, it is not using 2 gigs of RAM this time. PyCharm itself is using 1.5, what the fuck. Which one of the two is gonna... Because both of these RAM usages are low. Okay, one of them is not responding. But it doesn't show which one is not responding. This fucking thread. There. Okay, so this one has extremely low RAM usage. That is interesting. How is the RAM usage this low? Like, the Chrome driver isn't using even much. That's crazy. Let me look at some things real quick. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. Okay. So, I'm just gonna make it 10. Then I'm gonna run it again. Challenge of arrival. And the last known survivors looks a spray in the night. And he's watching us. But yeah, the nice thing, yeah. Accidental that, apparently. The thing is, I cannot touch the windows while it's like starting up. Otherwise it just like crashes. Okay, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah. But why is time and name now a bold, but the message not? That is surprising. Like, why is that written in bold, but the oh, because it's Japanese characters. Right. Yeah, all other characters are just fine, yeah. But nice that this works now. It goes from bottom to top. Quit and let me do now. Let's do 30 again. Let's see, let's run it. You can need like first has to like catch up with everything. Wait, what? Okay, why did it crash? That is weird. Yeah, that's just because I closed it, I think. Let me keep this open over here. Run it again. Here, link, start. Okay, everything is fine. Let's make it wider. Okay. Okay, I will have to implement, okay, good. First of all, I want to... Holy shit! Is it because I'm... Okay, I need to stop self dot destroy. So when I click the stop program button, let's chat stop, which is that, and the thing is it stops the driver. Do I want to put this after the driver stop or after this? Yeah, that would be good to do it after the driver stop, because here it's initialized actually. So chat UI dot just stop. Right, yeah, stop. Okay. Oh, yeah, I could just do a destroy. That just works also. Money, watch it burn, sing in the river, the lessons I've learned. Make that money, watch it burn, sing in the river, the lessons I've learned. Bring that money, watch it burn, sing in the river, the lessons I've learned. Everything that kills me makes me feel like I've been losing sleep, dreaming about the things that we could be. Lately I've been thinking hard. Stars. Lately I've been losing sleep, dreaming about the things that we could be. Lately I've been praying hard. And then my gondolas will become stars. Watch it burn, sinking the river, the lessons I've learned. Take that money, watch it burn, sinking the river, the lessons I've learned. Take that money, watch it burn, sinking the river, the lessons I've learned. Take that money, watch it burn, sinking the river, the lessons I've learned. Okay, so it does not like me doing this. Okay, then, how is it possible to close the, to stop the started threads after some time? Right, I do want to run it actually in the background for a while, because I want to look at the memory usage, because currently, fuck, that's high. Right. Why did it not quit? So, and the quit issues do come from this one here, where I always start new threads. Okay, yeah. Let's see what, yeah, it's that one. Okay, that is a lot. Can I like better tools, task manager? What the hell? Like, why so much? Look at this. It's crazy. Like, it's just messages. Why is it so much data? Like, more than a megabyte of data per one message. And then like the... This is crazy. I need to like really fix something there. That's just way too crazy. Like, damn. And this one Python uses more than Chrome, but here it's like so much just. It's okay. I might have an idea what to do. But it's gonna be a really stupid idea. Also, why did it crash? Or did it just... Yep, it did this one again. Yep. Need to drink something. Oh, there, Mike. I am gonna look at this later. Okay, let me try to do some more. Yeah, the moving messages doesn't work that well, sadly. I could try. How can I move the messages smoothly and so that they don't just instantly change position, but more like sliding. It's really it lives smooth instead of yes, the extra position set the initial position of the label, and then it's the after method. Up the position of the labels over time. Here are steps you can follow. Initial position of the labels is place. This and this. Huh? Oh. There we go. One of a kind, irreplaceable. How did I get so blind and so cynical? See. The error here is seeing that after method is not being called correctly as a syntax using this method. Should be what I'm mentioning. I'll pass the augmented placement video to electrician. Okay, let's do this again. Let's copy that one over here. Is it still going? Yeah. Yo. No, I just like completely broke it. Also, why is it now left aligned again? Which I like. But oh, it doesn't work. Yeah, but still gives me a ton of errors. Okay, let me. There's so many things to fix. Let me fix the thread issue first. Right now. Okay. I did not use the queue method. I did not use the queue method. Okay, how can I stop the started threads, or will they stop themselves after executing the function? Oh, I fucking know. Oh. This is a shared variable in the event of thread to execute the example. Okay, so first false, stop, true. So at the end I just set it to true, I don't have to call stop. What the fuck? Yeah, no, it's not a while loop, fuck you. No. What? There is no while loop. Oh, why is things like this? And why did the last half hour just pass so slowly? Why does the first hour pass so quickly and after that it's probably because at the first hour I still have like a plan, and after that it kind of breaks down because I'm running into issues. Yeah, that's kind of it. Like usually like 3 hours can go by quickly as the first hour because everything just works out, but currently I'm just running into problems and problems and problems, and this is still... What the fuck? Close this... Right, I'm gonna stop for today. See you all. Subscribe. It's